sharing your invaluable insights as well as for satisfying the queries here from the audience as well as from the online audience. Sir, your address has truly broadened our perspectives and enriched this conference. We sincerely appreciate your willingness to join us virtually. We wish the continued success in all your future academic and research endeavors. Let's express our expressions for a warm round of applause for the sir. Thank you so much, sir.
At Iowa, I mean, you can Google University of Iowa and find me. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Thank you so much. Now let's continue. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now my great privilege to invite a distinguished academician, an accomplished researcher, and inspiring mentor whose unwavering dedication to higher education and research has left a lasting impact on the academic community. Professor P.L. Verma, sir. The chief patron of ETRD 2026 is the professor at Government Vivekanand Postgraduate College, Mehar, Madhya Pradesh. Throughout his illustrious academic career, he has made significant contribution to the research and scholarly excellence. Under his able guidance, 15 scholars have successfully earned their PhD degrees, while 12 students have completed their MPhil research, reflecting his deep commitment to nurturing future researchers. Professor Verma has authored more than 80 research papers published in reputed national and international journals, contributing substantially to the advancement of the scientific knowledge. His academic excellence has also earned his recognition on the global stage with scholarly visits to countries including Mexico, Japan, Poland, Chile, Thailand, South Korea, Canada, and several others, where he has represented Indian academia and strengthened international collaboration. His vision, leadership, and lifelong dedication to research and education continue to inspire scholars across generations. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving a warm round of applause as I respectfully invite our esteemed Chief Patron, Professor P.L. Verma, to deliver a welcome address.
Thank you, ma'am, for your nice introduction. Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Leopoldo Soto, and my best and close friend, distinguished guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor, APS University, Riva, special guest, respected A.K. Srivastava sir, and respected principal of our college, Dr. Rajesh Singh. Namaskar, good morning. It is my great pleasure to welcome you at the 5th Global International Conference, Emerging Trend in Science and Technology. On the behalf of Prime Minister College of Excellence, Government Vivekanand PG College, Maihar, and my academic partner, Scientific and Humanities Research Society, my other partner, World Trade Center, Jaipur, International Journal of Innovative Research and Growth. I welcome you, our delegates, participants, scientists, head of departments, and research scholars from India and abroad. As our Vice Chancellor discussed just before in his talk, we are facing so many challenges related to the climate problems, economic problems, scientific problems, and these problems cannot be solved Yeah, this problem cannot be solved by a single person or by a single institution or by a single organization. It requires to work together and share their knowledge. Then we can get the better solution. One of the greatest strength of ETRD 26 is that this brings the experts and scientists of the different academic fields. And when the person of different academic field work together, they really find a positive and good solution. We are proud to host this international conference, a historical place of the Mayhar. This is the place of the culture, place of the Sarda temple, the wisdom, goddess of the wisdom, from where we inspired towards the research and development. I sincerely thank to our keynote speakers, invited session chairs, advisory boards, committee members, all other related persons. One thing is very important. The Swami Vivekananda said, education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. शिक्षा मनुष्य में निहित पूर्णता का द्योतक है. Some of the research scholars are there. We have worked on this field. As we know that interplanetary shocks is geometric signature. Interplanetary shocks is the signature of the energetic solar feature coronal mass ejection, which is situated in the sun. Like that, these inspiring words remind us to education and research help us to know our potential, and after that we can serve in better way for the society. Once again, I warmly welcome to all ETRD for the great success of the ETRD. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. Huh?